Repeat after me, or simply listen and let these words sink into your soul. I sink into deep, peaceful relaxation with every breath. Imagine yourself floating on a cloud of pure serenity, each inhale drawing you deeper into blissful surrender. Your breath becomes your anchor to peace, each exhale releasing layers of tension you didn't even know you were carrying. Feel yourself melting into this moment, like warm chocolate dissolving into milk. Your nervous system recognizes this rhythm of peace and begins to synchronize with it. With every breath cycle, you descend deeper into a state of profound rest, where healing happens naturally and effortlessly.